Hey everybody, I hope that you all are having an amazing day. So welcome back to Meek's house. We are in the kitchen today, but we're not going to be here long. We're starting some sourdough starter. Yesterday I shared with you all that I would like to get into bread making. I can make the biscuit, I can make um, I've made cornbread and regular bread, but I want to get into make my own sandwich bread. My son loves raisin bread. I want to get into making our own bread that's healthier, and I know what's in it. So we're gonna do that today. So we're gonna get started. Um, I'm just using a regular mason jar. I did show you all that I have a jar that I purchased from HomeSense, and I'll be using that once I really get my sourdough going. But today we're going to be using some all-purpose flour, and we're also going to be using just some lukewarm bottled water. And you need 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour. So to convert that, you need 1/3 cup of flour, and again, this is all-purpose flour. I was reading, and it looks like you can use bread flour, but I'm not that good yet, so I don't want to do that. Maybe when I really get good at it, I'll do that. So I'm just going to use this all-purpose flour. I'm just kind of tapping it, and I'm going to just make sure I add more. All right, and so I'm going to just add it. Let me bring you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. So I'm just going to put this in my jar. This is messy. Yeah, it's a little messy. And all right. Okay. And then we're going to use 1/4 cup of water. And there we go. And normally, you guys, I free pour, but I don't want to mess this up. So I'm going to do this the right way until I get used to doing it and I know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to use a fork. And all right, so they said not to do too much. They said to leave some of the clumps in there and that it should kind of look like pancake batter. But to me, yeah, I guess that's right. Based on what I've read, it's supposed to have a thickness to it, and it should be kind of like a pancake batter. So we're going to leave it like so. Now they said, I see people naming their sourdough. What name should I give my sourdough? Let me add a mark for my sourdough. All right, so two things we're gonna do. We're gonna take our little spatula here and we're going to kind of clean the sides down a little bit. I think I'm making more of a mess, but just want to clean it just a little bit. All right, and I'm going to take just a paper towel and I'm going to put my paper towel over this because we want it to breathe. And then I'm going to mark where we started. So that's good. And then I'm just gonna sit this in the pantry and be done with it. And so this is day one. You know what I think I wanna do? I wanna do day one. This is the 26th. Is today the 26th? I think today is 26th. So I just kind of put the 26th right there. And yeah, so tomorrow it says we're supposed to feed it again, another 50 grams of water and flour. And then by day 3, we should see some bubbles and we should be able to discard half of it and then continue to go. So we will, I will see you guys with more starter dough tomorrow.